How to change account in Fortnite PS5. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily change accounts on Fortnite on your PS5. So first, sign out of your current account. Go to the PlayStation home screen and navigate to the Fortnite icon. Press Options button in your controller and select Sign Out. Confirm that you want to sign out of your account. Now select Profile option. On the Fortnite login screen, select the profile option located at the top right corner of the screen. Choose the new account. Select the new account you want to use from the list of available profiles. Enter the account credentials, enter the login credentials for the new account, and then verify the account. Verify the account by selecting Verify, and your PS5 will prompt you to verify the account through the Epic Games launcher. And that is how you can easily change Fortnite account on your PS5.